Hello guys, welcome back here with another video, ancient remedy. So you know that white rice, it just makes you fat, full of sugar and starch, and basically it's no goodness in it. You just have it because it's yummy and delicious, and I personally also love to have white rice. Brown rice is not so delicious as white rice, but it's definitely more healthier and it's digestible because of the bran that is just covering the white part. Nowadays, widely, everyone is using white rice in the restaurants. I mean, most of the people, including me. But is there any way that we can just enjoy this delicious thing without being concerned of getting fat and putting on more weight, and to just suppress this part? The good news is that yes, there is a very interesting method which is ancient. I'm going to share with you here. If you do that, you are going to bring the effects of gaining weight due to eating white rice less. So what that is this magical thing, which is rice bran. Yes, this is rice bran, exactly the outer part of the white rice, which they remove it and they make the rice white. This is the whole goodness, full of nutrition and everything, and this is going to help you. Well, I'm not going to tell you that you just mix this with your white rice and eat it and that's it. It's not going to be that way. It's a very more interesting way that I'm going to share with you. Well, so many people might not like to mix this one with their white rice. Of course, if you want, you can do it. You can just mix this one with your rice and cook together all of it and just have it. It's amazing. It's gonna help you for that. But there is a better way that I'm gonna share with you here, that you're gonna more enjoy of it, have the same effects, but you don't have to eat this. So what you're gonna do is that you are going to mix this one with just plain water. How? Like for example, 2 or 3 40 tablespoons of the rice bran, mix it into 250 ml to half a liter of water and bring it to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the water and get rid of the bran, and you will be left by the water which is concentrated with all the goodness of rice bran in it. And then, instead of cooking your rice with just plain water the way that you don't do that. Cook it with rice bran water, the one that you just created. Yes, and this way your white rice is gonna get cooked inside the highly concentrated rice bran water, and when it's ready, you can just enjoy your white rice, but all the bad things will be suppressed. I'm not going to say that it's completely going to vanish, but of course it's going to be way much better than if you just cooked your rice with just plain water. So it's going to help you. It's going to just suppress and slow down the process of putting on weight due to eating white rice, and yet still you're going to enjoy your white rice. This is not only to be used for the white rice cooking. This remedy, it's going to do wonders for you. You can use this water to do all your recipes, such as soups, stews, everything. It's so good to slow down the process of your hair getting gray, and if you just do this and introduce this into your lifestyle, not that your health and your weight loss plan, it's gonna get amazingly transformed, but your hair also going to get much better in terms of growth, in terms of slowing down the process of being gray, and it's gonna be so shinier and thicker. Of course, rice bran is something very difficult to find. You cannot find this one in just supermarkets, even big supermarkets. Sometimes even online is very difficult to find it out, but I have linked down the rice bran shopping link at the description box of this video. You can just go there and then get yours. Anyway, let's say you could not find this thing, the next choice is wheat bran or barley bran. They are also so good. You can do the same thing that I told you with wheat bran or barley bran, but of course the first priority choice is rice bran, which is much way better than all the other ones. But if you couldn't find, you can go for the second option. Well, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you take care until then.